Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to send large files on WhatsApp. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So basically, first of all, make sure that your WhatsApp application is up to date. Just go to the Play Store or Apple App Store and update your WhatsApp application, okay, to the latest version. And then you need to open up your WhatsApp. And then basically here what we have to do here, that let's suppose that if I wanted to send this person a large file, so I will tap on this attachment icon here, and then I will tap on documents here. Okay, so I will not send that file as a video. I will send that video or send that large file as a document. Then I will tap on browse other documents, and then I will just open up my recent files from here. And here you can see that we have this 145 MBs of file. So I will just tap on this one and then tap on continue, then tap on continue. And here you can see that right now I am sending this file to this person. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.